new day is here, and Joe is meeting with a promising new customer.
So, Joe, I heard on the radio there are new ACs coming out that are really energy efficient.
That's correct, Mrs. Sterling.
Oh, that's great. Do you think I could get one?
Absolutely. Is there anything else that you're interested in?
Now that you mention it, I get awful allergies every fall. Is there anything with air conditioning you think could help with that?
Yes, indoor air quality devices work great at eliminating allergens.
Wow, that sounds great. Could you be sure to quote that?
Sure thing.
Looks like Joe Falls has scored himself a solid lead with Mr. Sterling. He wraps up their talk, feeling mighty good about the job ahead, and heads back to his office to build that quote.
This looks like this could be a good option. Out of stock. Okay. This other outdoor unit could match. I'm not sure. Let me call my guy at the bridge. Hey, Alonzo. Joe here. I have a quick question about a unit matchup. Call me back. Thanks.
Here we have Joe, giving it his all. He's burning the midnight oil, hoping his handwritten effort will seal the deal. The next morning, he dashes off to deliver his proposal to Mr. Sterling. Joe pulls up to the house and grabs his coffee, but it spills all over his shirt. Now he's going to be walking in with a big ol' stain. Ain't life just full of little curveballs?
Oh, Joe, I wasn't expecting you.
Mrs. Sterling, sorry about that. I finished your boat and wanted to make sure to deliver it first thing in the morning.
Well, you see, after you were here yesterday, someone else came and they were able to give me a proposal within minutes. And
Hi, Mr. Sterling. Sorry to interrupt. So I'm finished with the install. Just need to turn on the thermometer inside. I hear you all set.
absolutely. See, you gotta understand, Joe.
I understand, Mr. Sterling. Have a good day.
Another defeat for poor Joe, despite all his hard work.
Mike, I can't tell you enough how impressed I was by your proposal. The videos of the units you recommended were great. And then on top of that, I got to see estimates of my CO2 and energy savings.
I'm happy to do that, Mr. Sterling.
No, seriously, I am so impressed. If any of my friends need air conditioning work, I'm absolutely going to recommend you.
Thank you, Mr. Sterling. Please let me know if you have any other questions.
Will do.
Mike gets the job thanks to the speed and efficiency of on-call air. But don't count Joe Falls out yet. He still has a chance to turn his ship around. Stay tuned to see what happens next.